You know what I love about that song? It starts. ऐसे नहीं कि intro है.
It had an intro. It was made, all of it was made in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Me and Sachin would want all songs by Arijit.
Is incredibly, and I want to use it 3 times. I would say incredibly humble.
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
So, it's not easy to sit down with Sachin Jigar. They're extremely busy boys. And why not? Because they've been producing banger after banger over the last, what? I don't know. It's been over 10 years actually, technically. But the last couple of years have just been, you know, as they say, it's been a golden run. So, first of all, congratulations.
Thank you.
This year was Sachin Jigar's year. 2024. What bangers you put out, you know, whether it was Taras or whether it was Aaj Ki Raat. Let's talk a little bit about that year for you. What was it like?
This is the same for us, if I can be honest with you, except, I mean, we've been working hard all our life, and we could say that it just feels very good that, you know, that your hard work's finally found its audience, or people have loved us all through. We just cannot be any less grateful, but I think it's aligning of stars, maybe.
Yeah. See, I mean, all the people who love our music must have seen all our interviews, and the only thing that both of us keep repeating is that all we are doing the same thing, right? We are doing we come here, we make a song, but maybe over time, what happens in a relationship, when you're in a relationship with a friend, you start understanding that person, and you know, आपको पता लगेगा कि उनको कब भूख लगी है, या अब जब उसको भूख नहीं लगी है तो उसको खाना ऑफर नहीं करना चाहिए, इरिटेट हो जाएंगे. मुझे लगता है these many years it has taken for us to understand our audience, and vice versa, I guess. So I think now we are in a relationship जहाँ उनको we are able to give them, we are able to refine from our machinery and our hearts and souls, and serve to them exactly what probably we think they want. And we want to be always able to, you know, follow their graph. If they are we want to be able to evolve to their taste, and because that only refines us and makes us better artists.
Too good, because I remember dancing into last year with I Want to See You Dance. And it was that year, right?
Yes.
And then you gave us a hit like Taras, for example. Talk to us about that hit, man. That song, okay, just has, I want to know from you what that song did or how that song got done, because it was, the song also helped the film. देखिए ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट बात है, हम एक ऐसे देश में हैं जहाँ पर गानों को पहले रिलीज किया जाता है ताकि ऑडियंस थिएटर में आए. मोर देन एनी अदर टाइम इन द वर्ल्ड राइट नाउ इज दैट टाइम. एंड आई थिंक रियली मुंजिया के लिए उस गाने ने क्या किया यार.
It sort of broke a lot of cliches, you know, because we started saying कि female songs नहीं चलते हैं. Firstly, we started saying कि नए चेहरे पे ऐसा वाला रिस्क नहीं लेते हैं. कोई अगर पुराना चेहरा है, कोई बहुत पॉपुलर एक्ट्रेस है, तो उसके साथ ये गाना करेंगे. बट थैंक्स टू दीनो सर, ही इज वेरी वेरी करेजियस. बट ऑल्सो द फैक्ट दैट, यू नो, कि वो हम हमारे लूप में फंसते चले जा रहे हैं. मुझे ऐसा लगता है व्हाट वी क्रिएटेड, बॉलीवुड क्रिएटेड ऑल दीज सॉन्ग्स लाइक Zeenat Aman ji, Parveen Babi, and they had great songs. I mean, and there were some great female songs like Ye Mera Dil, Shaan Se, etc. So it's a sort of a churning, I feel, कि हम अपने ही चीज़ों को फिर याद करते हैं, फिर लेकर आते हैं. But I think the public really wants those things. You know, in our core, we really want our desi tadka, the masala. We love that, and I just feel like that sort of established for us, for at least for me and Jigar, that three things, man. One, we shouldn't shy away from our core. I mean, we should rather own it up. So that one. The other thing was, even for Jasmine, I feel like what she did to that song, and Jigar always says that every time we speak of that song, that the minute we recorded Jasmine on that song, what a casting of a voice can do. And she's such a super hit, such a wonderful artist. So even that, you know, that cliche too, like, "Arey, if there's a singer in trend and you go to that singer and you get your song sung by them so that you can use their following." But sometimes a song has something to say and you just need to go find the right voice for it.
Also, I'd like to say that वो बीच में ना मतलब maybe it's still on, that you started following trends कि अच्छा अब ये सिंगर चल रहा है तो इसका गाना करो ये मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि उस ट्रेंड के चक्कर में because of producer pressure even a composer was never able to fully accomplish his vision, you know. But with Dino sir and with these songs and even Tumse, I'd say, we have Raghav and Varun singing it. The point is there is a vision that we made the song with, and there is a voice that is able to really live it up. Then why not that voice? Because now it comes to what we imagined and what we are putting out is right or wrong. And now if this doesn't work, that means we were wrong. But now it works.
Yeah, that's
That
what. So at the end of the day, all this has to still become successful by the people. I mean, they have to love the songs, and they are the ones who will say that okay, that you took that risk, but it's worth it, or whatever. But it just gave us a lot of confidence as makers
you
to
know, even in
be
Stree,
honest.
we have Madhubanti doing one song, we have Pawan Singh doing one song, who is a huge artist in his
Yeah,
state.
in his state, yeah.
But imagine him singing a Bollywood song. Or there is again Varun Jain doing one song and Vishal Mishra doing one song. So I think these we from Apna Banale or maybe actually no, I think even Bandhuk Meri Laila or if we see Babaji, we've always tried to live our vision fully, you know. And I think whenever we have tried to really achieve what we've set out for, हम बहुत सेटिस्फाई हुए हैं और जब हमने दिल से अच्छे से गाने को कॉम्प्रोमाइज किए बिना बाहर ऑडियंस तक पहुंचाया है we've always found out.
That's amazing. In fact, I'm glad you brought up Madhubanti because look what that song did for her. I'm not suggesting that somebody else could have or should have sung that song. I will not get into that because what's the point, right? What refreshed me was the fact that this was a different voice. मुझे बड़ा मजा आया when I saw the credits and I said, क्या बात है यार, क्या बात है. How did you pick her for this song?
Look, again, I mean, I don't know, I don't even want to sound arrogant, but we've been doing this forever, yeah, from our first album. And that's why I meant what I meant is that it has been exactly same year for us. Except I feel the way we consuming music now has changed a lot. I think our audiences, I think big credit lies there. Of course, we'll have to do our job, honestly. We'll have to do what we do right. But a big change has happened in the way we are listening. I mean, minds have opened up to new voices. Perhaps thanks to social media or COVID.
And like how he's saying, you know, there was Tochi against Shreya in Saibo. There was Raj, DK, Anand, Tiwari, us, everybody singing Babaji Ki Booty.
Yeah.
There was Rekha Bhardwaj and an absolute new voice, Priya Andrews singing Milya Milya. So we've in fact always like Vayu has sung Beat Pe Booty, the writer.
Yeah.
So हमको ऐसा we've always wanted to do this.
It's a party,
It's a
yeah.
party and you enjoy the music you make. Otherwise, why are you even doing this?
And also, I feel like, you know, for me and Jigar, we never really had head, tail, toe in the industry, right? Somebody came along, guided us, gave us the hand when we needed. And I think if we are not able to churn out new voices, then we are not able to finish that in our turn. So I just feel
You know, Roshan Saab ke documentary mein one of the most beautiful things, apart from seeing the two of you, and that's the question that's coming up, is the fact that अगर रोशन साहब नहीं होते तो बख्शी साहब और इंदिवर साहब ना होते.
Oh my God.
And that thought just creeps me out. And what you're saying is so right, because if we're in a position where we can, you know, introduce new talent or shine a light, why should you not?
Yeah, also I'll say for great artists like Arijit or Shreya or Sunidhi, सोनू निगम जी, आप इनको हर गाने में अपने फायदे के लिए डाल के आप उनके टैलेंट का मिसयूज कर रहे हो. You cannot do that to them. You have to have a song
That's
that
worth
is
them.
truly, at least it is able to explore. चलो कुछ नया मत करो, पर उनकी रेंज, उनकी सिंगिंग, उनके इमोशन को आप पूरी तरह से खींच लाओ ना. अगर वो गाने के अलावा आपने उनसे कुछ दिया, you're doing disservice to their talent. And me and Sachin do not want to do that. We'll go to Arijit when we know that this song needs really Arijit, because out of pressure हमारा कौन से composer को, me and Sachin would want all songs by Arijit, all songs
Absolutely.
by Shreya Didi, right?
Absolutely.
Who doesn't want it? But the point is, come on, he is a legend, and we better all understand it. And
What is he like? Tell us.
Oh my goodness me, he's incredible, and I want to use it 3 times. I would say incredibly humble. He's just so human that it will embarrass you. You know that a guy like him. So I mean, he's a huge talent. He's impeccable. He's so studious still. And I remember with Apna Bana Le, he did not do a single variation until me and Jigar said कि भाई तू तेरा कुछ करना, and he was like करूँ क्या, okay तू बता, तू बोल कैसे करते हैं. So he has that humility to be a
और
student. Even just, I mean, just last time we spoke to him, he
Yeah.
was telling us how he's still learning some gadgets
And
and some music.
matlab, if there is
Godlike.
one thing that one has to say about he his I don't think I've met anybody so talented. There is nobody. He's just, I can't say, he's too
Yeah,
talented.
he understands it. Like, no disrespect, but quite a few singers we had called to sing Apna Bana Le, new boys, but I kept explaining that,
बस scratch level पे हम लोग
you know, that half a line is matter of fact, half the other half is the feeling.
How
तू
beautiful.
तू मेरा कोई ना is the fact, होके भी कुछ लागे is the feeling. And if you hear Arijit say it, he will say the first line in a bolder tone and the second half with a lot of husk
and
and
trust
feel.
me, we didn't have to tell him.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah,
Oh,
that's just
ho,
it.
ho.
And I think like that sort of a feeling I often get with Priya or with Divya, because they were trained by Kalyanji Anji.
Yes.
And I feel like his journey as a musician, what he picked up with Rashid Ali Khan Saab, or what he picked up, you know,
On his way, yeah.
assisting
Pritam,
Mithun, assisting Pritam sir, it's such a beautiful, you know,
Mix.
हाँ मतलब
mix
उसका
at that
music
time. You know, when you're dubbing him, you can see that he's using all of it right there. It's amazing.
Yeah, yeah.
उसका music is not his music is not one lifetime का music. He's been a musician for lifetimes now.
Having said all this, okay, I would say that we get into this rut. As audiences also, we say, ha, har gana Arijit ka. Just like Jigar said, every composer will want every song in Arijit's voice. I think the audiences themselves have opened up to the idea. I remember when we were at assisting Rajesh Roshan ji. At that time, you know, these reality shows had just only broken up. And I remember Rakesh Roshan ji coming to the studio and telling Raju bhai that, Raju bhai, दिमाग खुलने लगे हैं, नए नए सिंगर्स सुनने लगे हैं लोग. And that I really can see come to life now, that, you know, that somebody as new or as fresh as just one song old has his own audience too,
Absolutely.
and that is beautiful.
Yeah. I mean, last year was also a year for someone like Mohammad Faiz, right? It was so beautiful to see him also sing his song, and that too in a Dharma film. And I think these things matter, which now brings me back to one of my favorite songs of last year, which is Aaj Ki Raat. This song, of course, it's done really well and all of that, but it's also an important song because it's a female song. And I'll say this because you said it some time ago, it's true. The female song in the film music battalion might be far and few between. Why female song? I just think songs also are far and few between. And in the light of what happened last year has been the greatest example of the indie music in industry or scene. Phat gaya yaar last year. And there we had Aaj Ki Raat saying, nahi, मैं हूँ Bollywood. This is Bollywood, guys. But what I loved about the song is that if you listen to the lyrics, यार जो नज़ाकत इन lyrics में है, it is the most beautiful, you know, the lines, you know,
Yeah,
where
oh
she
my
says के, you know, you can't
खरीदी
force,
नहीं जा सकती.
you
Yeah.
can't force, आप
Yeah.
खरीदी नहीं जा सकती
हसीनों
हसीनों की इजाजत.
Yeah,
वो तो है ही अमिताभ, we love you, but
नाज इतना नहीं खोखले वादों पे कीजिए.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल. What a composition. And it starts from nowhere. You know what I love about that song? It starts. ऐसे नहीं कि intro है. It's a very interesting way you start that song also. Please, ये तो सब मैं ऐसे बात करी जैसे मैंने compose किया है. Composers ये हैं. आप बताइए यार.
No, so these things, man, it had an intro. And if you see the film version, it has, because every ghazal should have a share to
Sher.
start with, and so there was a share. But these things about the team and touchwood about that me, Jigar, Amitabh Bhai, and Dino sir, including Amar now. In fact, there was a little bit of a discussion because me and Amitabh Bhai were so blown away by the way that whole intro thing had come to, that share had come to, and but both Dino sir and Jigar said that no, let the song start with the beat. Let nobody know what's coming for them.
See, there is a
Let it come hit
yeah,
you.
there
Wow.
is a small reason to that. That when it becomes predictable, if you give that intro, you are setting the people up. Okay, it's still a great intro. What lines and what amazing way she sung it.
Is there in the film?
It's there.
Is there, right?
Yes, it's
Because I
there.
remember the intro, but
yes.
I've heard it so many times on
And
my
you're
own.
so right about that. What Jigar is actually trying to tell you, right?
कि हम आपको सेट कर रहे हैं कि चलो भाई अभी आप एक नजाकत वाला गाना देन यू मेक अप योर माइंड एंड देन सम पीपल विल थिंक ओह इसमें बीट आ गया मजा उड़ गया इट शुड हैव बीन दैट वे because it is going to immediately attract attention of the people who listen to ghazals and they say अरे बिगाड़ दिया. In fact, I want to tell you this is a dance song.
Yeah.
Now go for it,
Yeah.
you know, and then it surprises you. So maybe sometimes, and the great part about this whole theme is that we talk and we discuss and we try.
And to the right, to the last point the master is delivered, there are changes happening. Right up to that stage of mixing, we say कि ये layer add कर देते, निकाल देते, or whatever. I think, but the core of Aaj Ki Raat truly is the fact that, okay, this is a female performer who has come to the rescue of those characters in a certain situation, but she's not somebody who will just do a small jig. There is a lot of adab,
बेहद.
shama.
और वो जो आती है her track with Pankaj ji.
Yeah.
Oh my God! It's my favorite thing about the movie.
Yeah.
Because you're also like, you're rooting for Pankaj ji, right?
Right.
You're like, yes. And every guy who looks like that.
Yeah, of course.
And Pankaj ji, being the vidwan he is in the film,
He will not fall for somebody shallow.
yeah, right. So now we did not want to. I mean,
See, we could-
I'm not saying don't want to take away from Kamaria, but it could not have been
Or
another Kamaria.
it could not have been Taras also.
Thumkeshwari also. It could not have been in any of these songs. So we knew one thing for sure, that okay, that we have set out to still do a dance song, but there's got to be enough depths to in the melody, in the singing, in the lyrics, for you to love that song. You cannot just love it for a beat or for one word or something.
And with Stree, even with Stree 1, we always thought that there is horror and comedy. The music comes in and makes you dance.
Yes.
That is the
Yes.
idea
It's also
of the
relief.
film. Yeah, that we got to give you a relief, but a relief that you've been, oh my god, I love this song, you know. So that's why even one had Milegi and Kamaria and Aao Kabhi Haveli Pe, so it would just come in.
And
So
Stree 2 had none of these.
none of these.
Like no remakes, no
And we didn't
rehashes.
want to follow the pattern कि यार एक वैसा है तो एक वैसा करते हैं.
Sequel में ऐसा आना चाहिए पिछले गाने का कुछ और
But
कुछ भी नहीं.
you have to give it to Dino sir for just saying हाँ करते हैं, and then inspiring us to do it. Not just, he's not a guy that करके सुना दो. No, he'll be a part of the process. He'll inspire you when needed. He will not say when not needed, and he will pick out the wrongs. I mean, he's an incredible guy.
Yeah, he's quite incredible. I do also want to say that I believe in song twins, which is that I love identifying why I love a song. मतलब अगर मुझे गाना पसंद है पागल हो जाती हूँ मैं, because then I sit for myself and I understand कि मुझे गाना क्यों पसंद है. Then I think of other songs, and you know this song, and it has nothing to do with anything, but it takes me back to गली गली में फिरता है तू क्यों बन के बन जा रहा आ मेरे दिल में बस जा मेरा. उस फिल्म में भी ये जो गाने थे, you know, this den and these dancers, it doesn't have anything in terms of the sound of it, but it's just the feel of it, I guess. It's beautiful.
Who doesn't love Biju Shah?
I love Biju Shah, man.
Yeah, and you see like all these songs that you talk about, Raat Baki, or if you talk about
आज की रात.
yeah, even the old Aaj Ki Raat,
Raat.
yeah. So I
वो
just
old हो गए बाप रे.
but I
Even
just
the
feel
original
like
आज की रात. Let's put it
there
that way.
is you know, if okay, let's say if you hear another version that we have of Aaj Ki Raat, it's just the song and a guitar,
Yeah.
Oh,
and I promise you that there is so much there's so much there to like or love.
Enjoy.
Enjoy is the right word. So I just feel like all these great composers and all these great songs that we are talking about, they were great songs by themselves.
absolutely.
Of course, the whole idea of bringing them to the tune of the times, of bringing the relevant arrangement and the masters like Viju Shah and what they did with synths and sounds and etc. But I just feel like there was always a great song there first, and then
Absolutely.
other things
And
could have
that
been
to
there.
me is the key to Aaj Ki Raat.
Yeah.
Because trust me, when I heard the lyrics,
Hmm.
I said, no. This is not your regular dance number, guys. यहाँ पर ये जो बोल रही है ना, वो इतना empowered है. And the way it starts, I just feel it's a class in itself. And I really wanted. और मेरी हर ख्वाहिश पूरी होती है. और ये मेरी बड़ी ख्वाहिश थी जब से ये गाना आया कि मैं आप दोनों के साथ बैठकर इस गाने पर थोड़ी सी बातें करूं. And it's so beautiful.
So, like, we can talk about this song and we can open the session and show you and get into our brains and all. But I'll tell you something. We exactly did what we did for a song did not work. That did not work. We
Wow.
tried.
Wow.
We tried. We tried. That's
And
it.
also, not to take away from how much love the song's getting, it was made, all of it was made in 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Yeah.
Because
So-
when it comes, it just starts to flow in. I mean, there's that vibe there. You have to be open enough to let it flow. I mean, at the end of the day.
बस कुछ गाने पता नहीं they just reach better. I don't know what it is. I swear we did not do anything special here. We only did what we did.
They're being modest.
No.
But I must say, the Sachin Jigar song finds me, okay, and it's a particular sound, and I'm very proud to say that I'm one of many of you now who knows a Sachin Jigar song when they hear them. So I'm gonna expose the two of them now because ये मुझे बता दो कि ये White Noise Collectives क्या है. That's gonna be my last question because I heard the soundtrack, I heard the title track of Love Yappa, and it sounds just like a song you would have made. So I looked at मैंने पहली चीज that I do is I go and check who the composer and the lyricist is. And I saw White Noise Collectives and I saw Som.
Yes. What an incredible guy, Som. Incredible. I
It's
love him.
absolutely fantastic. So just wanted to ask you, so they have your blessings, I'm assuming.
Basically, in a way, it's also trying to bring to fore other talent, not just singers. Because there are some incredible, music arrangers. And that is such an unsung part of every song that nobody really knows about their job. And me and Jigar have been music arrangers for so long that I think we've started to harbor a few.
Lovely.
And at least like while we are doing most part of the album, that they can also take responsibility, finish a job, learn how to do that job, and we are always there to guide them. So
And there is, there is so much work out there that if we have a team here who are working for us, it is our responsibility to give them their due.
Lovely.
So, if there is a Netflix series which they might at this point, because they are so young, they are 18, 19, at this point not be able to convert it, although they have all the talent. What's the harm if we are going to be there for them, but they are doing the work, they're getting the experience, they're getting their names out there. And once we make them one with the producer and the director, it's up to their fate. We want to empower everybody who works with us, singers, composers, music producers, arrangers, anybody in our team, in our live section, because I know how it feels when Raju bhai empowered us to go to Pritam Da. Pritam Da empowered us to move on and become composers, and when our producer empowers us to make music. So I think the only thing we can, other than salaries and money and all of that, is that we can somehow pass on confidence.
Yes, and that is so important. What's coming up in 2025? ये Maddox का slate, Netflix का slate, Amazon का slate, सब ये लोग slate करते रहते हैं. मुझे सिर्फ जानना है सचिन जिगर का slate और plate. क्या है plate पे बताइए.
I think upfront First up is Nadania, which is a Dharma film, which is it's a Gen Z love story. It's quite innocent and happening.
Then there is Thama with Ayushmann, Dino sir, and then there is 21 with Sriram Raghavan sir. Then there is the Chand Mera Dil with Dharma.
Yes, another love
Perhaps
story.
might not release this year, maybe.
But काम चालू है.
but काम
काम चालू है और जो आपने मैडॉक वाली वो स्लेट देखी उसमें कुछ फिल्म्स हमारी हैं.
कुछ फिल्म्स आपकी है. क्या बात है, क्या बात है. It's going to be a really fun year, and I must say, it's always worthwhile sitting down and chatting with you all, because I just love your music, and
Thank you
that's
so
why
much.
it's so much fun. So
Thank you so
thank you so much for being on my show.
Thank you so
Always a
much, and
pleasure.
I really love and appreciate that no matter what you reach out every year, and then the respect that a composer feels that okay, there's someone trying to get all the people in one room and talk.
Thank
So
you. That means
big
a
hats
lot.
off to you.
Thank you. That means a lot to me.
Just